It is all about error correction. 3,000 separate translucent digital slivers instead of the 1,000 I thought it would be. Got it, doesn't have to move. Recreating the lighting conditions was a pain in the ass because it's a mixture of tungsten and real light, but I think the color rendition is pretty damn accurate. Batteries are in the base, 2 minutes maximum.
You're good. It's good, Roman. You're a genius.
Okay, I never got past that grid. That's why you're paying me double.
What? No.
You got my message. Who's that sexy phone voice? Very early Bond.
What message?
The message I left with sexy phone voice. Nicole, on your mobile. Got something going with Gunther? Am I in?
Okay, when did you leave the message?
2 days ago. She had your phone.
She has you. That means yes.
Well, you better.
Yeah. Right.
I mean, so who's got my money? Who has got my bloody money?